Hi, welcome back to Motech Performance. I'm Mike. Joe's been busy working on this and Joe's behind the camera editing. Anyway, M4 on our stance springs. This is a good customer of ours. He actually had an M2 competition pack that I will put in the description. We did a lot to as well. Sold the car, decided to kind of come out of the community, if you like, or thought he'd be growing up and bought a Mercedes diesel. Very quickly realised he didn't like it and then ended up back with this. So give us a call, send us a message on Instagram saying what can we do. We had a conversation. I know the customer quite well, so I managed to bully him into not going for carbon on this particular car. Well, not full carbon. We've done a carbon CS rear spoiler to match the roof. I think he's got plans to do the carbon mirror caps and maybe some other bits in the interior. But we did the gloss black kit on this car, so something a little bit different. M3s and M4s been around a little while now. There's plenty of carbon kits out there, but you don't see many gloss black. So gloss black rear diffuser, gloss black side, gloss black front to match the grills. Looks really well on a competition pack car, and you'll also be getting a gloss black Motech Stance sticker. This is sitting on our 20mm front and rear springs with 12mm spacers on a 20-inch competition wheel on the M4s. We run a 12mm front and rear. On an M3 we can still run a 15mm on the rear. Let me know what you think of this lovely Yasmin blue M4 competition pack on the perfect Motech Stance kit. Thanks a lot.